Hi guys, this is Madi. In this video, I'm gonna show you the best free VPN for gaming in iPhone. Let's start. A fast VPN negates much of the slowdown by using modern servers and having massive bandwidth to share between its users. First, open App Store. Then search Urban VPN. Download and install this application. After that, open the application. If you want to get notifications from this application, select Allow. Otherwise, choose Don't Allow. Then select Accept. In the first step, for getting best results from this VPN, put your location to auto. Also, you have option to change your location. After that, tap on Connect. Select Allow. Great, as you can see, in only 1 second, we connected to VPN. If you want to disconnect from VPN, tap on Stop here. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope this video was useful for you. If you have any questions, please let me know. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe this YouTube channel. See you soon in the next video.